Okay, Darren. So we're going to do a tabletop exercise with what we've learned today. So you're going to be in this ambulance responding lights and sirens, and you're going to be coming up to this intersection. There's going to be a red light towards you, and I want to know how you're going to proceed through this intersection.
All right, so slowly approaching the traffic, still with my lights and sirens on.
So Darren, we're going to be doing the over-the-road portion.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and, as we start approaching these intersections, we want to be very cautious, making sure that we're keeping that nice 8 to 10 second scan out in front of us so that we can see any lights changing long before we get there. Making sure that we do allow ample time for that soft braking as we approach them.
Welcome to Lesson 1, Airway Anatomy and Physiology. In this lesson, we're going to discuss airway anatomy and physiology of the airways. Air then passes through the larynx, through the epiglottic opening, down the trachea, and into the right and left main stem bronchi. These main stem bronchi then subdivide into smaller and smaller bronchioles, which terminate at the alveoli. At the alveoli is where gas exchange actually takes place.
Now let's talk about needle decompression. What are some of the signs and symptoms of a tension pneumothorax?
Yeah, so a regular pneumothorax, right? You have a collapsed lung, doesn't make you hypoxic always, doesn't always make you tachycardic, and doesn't always make you hypotensive. A tension pneumothorax will, right? You've inflated enough pressure on the side to put pressure on your heart, right? It's creating a tamponading effect on your heart so it can't fill. So you're gonna be tachycardic, you're going to be hypotensive, and you're going to be hypoxic.
So for needle decompression, the anterior aspect of the chest, we're gonna locate the angle of Louis. So slide down the sternum until you feel that first large notch. And from there, we're gonna slide perpendicular out until we locate the midclavicular line. We're looking about somewhere in this area. Once we've done that, we're gonna clean our site. In order to actually do the procedure itself, we're gonna take the needle. We're gonna make a slight nick where we located our landmarks. And then we're going to insert the needle, striking the third rib, going up and over the third rib into the second intercostal space and inserting it until we've gone into the pleural space. Once we're there, we can continue to advance the catheter off the needle rather than burying the needle in there, and then remove the needle and take this to sharps.